Hi guys, and in this video we are going to take a look at the most illegal operating system in this world. It's an operating system by North Korea, and it's an operating system designed by North Korea by their government. So the name of the operating system is called RedStar, and I'll provide the link to download it in the description. Right now I'm creating a new virtual machine in VMware, and I'll just go further and install it on the VMware. Now the operating system is for surveillance of normal citizens, and it is designed by North Korean government, and the least requirement is really small because it can be installed in any system even with just 2 GB of storage and 200 MB of RAM. It's an operating system that you can directly install on any system, and I would say it is a merge between the Linux kernel, and the user interface is somewhat like the OS X. Now over here I'll just create a new partition, and I've created a 10 GB hard disk for this virtual machine. You can name it whatever you want. I will just name it as system disk, and the file format should be ext3. Now you need a operating system with ext3, and if you want you can use ext4 as well. And as you can see, I've created a partition in the disk. Now it's time to add in your username and password, and for network setup I really don't know why they have given all the countries and every location, because this is a surveillance operating system and it is only installed in North Korea. And in fact, if you want to install some kind of application in North Korean system, you actually have to install it from a physical store, and they have given a location for time zone selection, but I really don't know why anyone outside North Korea will use it. Suppose this, you have an option to select the name of the applications and the size. If you want, you can add in things. Now the whole operating system does not support English language by default, and I would like to tell you that every device has a detailed hardware ID. Now this hardware ID is automatically linked and mapped to a specific device and physical device, and once you create any document or even edit or open any document, that hardware ID is written down inside that document or inside that hardware, and this is done with the help of XF. So there is a data which is hidden inside every document, and once someone opens that document, the hardware ID, operating system version, system information and location and all the details are added. So if any document is created inside this kind of operating system, it can be mapped back to the creator and everyone who has opened it. And this does not connect to any internet, it connects to North Korean intranet. So even if you install it, you won't be able to use the internet. Besides this operating system, every tool or every electronic in North Korea is under surveillance, and in fact you can search for a North Korean phone wherein you cannot install any application nor you can use the internet. North Korea has its own intranet, that is connection of multiple computers, and they have restricted news access and managed internet connection wherein they only connect to networks and websites that are allowed. It's an offline intranet rather than an internet. So we have just installed the operating system. The installation of RedStar takes a lot of time. It took me around 33 minutes, and as you can see, the operating system just looks like an OS X, that is operating system by Apple, but in fact it is a Linux operating system. and the file system and everything else looks like the same. So as you can see, this is the operating system and it has an installation and other items. You will notice that there are tools available and pre-installed file manager and other tools are already available. You can move forward and use the operating system. By the way, links are provided in the description.